Today we're going to be moaning in people's ears and getting reaction. Make sure to leave the like button. Here at Poundland, gonna get my free drinks and all that. Free drinks and all that. Aye. Free drinks, bro. If you want free drinks, come to Poundland. I want to get a buck because I want to do some reading. So let me get a buck. Come take a look at these bucks over here. All these stories. Most of them look shit, apart from this one. This is the James Charles special. I'm giving this a good read. Just reading the James Charles book. Have you read this before? I've read this one.
No.
Looks good. I think it's the James Charles one. Does it look good though? It's like, oh, I don't even know, bro. Cause do you think this is appropriate though? Like, do you think? Because my mum rang me, she said I have to get kids books. I thought you work here, don't you?
No.
You don't work here. You don't. But what's that about?
I'm just picking stuff all the time.
I thought you worked here, bro.
No.
Oh, sorry, man. Sorry, bro. Huh? Huh? Do you know? Like, like the one that just came. You know the person. They come to deliver food.
No.
No. Your friend.
No.
What was your friend's name?
No, Michael.
Really?
Yeah.
Bro, I thought like this here.
Mommy.
Really? Oh, you were that guy.
Who?
You were on Fortnite. You're the one from Fortnite.
No.
The character on TV.
No.
You play.
No.
Really?
Yeah.
I may be wrong person. But like, yeah, I was looking for someone because my McDonald's order was supposed to be by here. Was it not you? Oh, it might be that guy over there.
I don't know.
Yeah. So you don't work for Just Eat or Deliveroo?
No.
Really? Alright, I'll see you in a bit then.
Okay.
Sorry, bro. Sorry,
That's
brother.
okay.
Sorry, brother. Huh? Yeah?
You know me?
Yeah. Are you Bill? Do you know Bill? Huh? Do you know Bill? Do you remember me?
Who?
Bill, I'm Bill.
Oh, next door to me.
Yeah,
You live next door to me.
yeah.
Oh, you fucking tall.
Yeah, you right? How you been? You right? You good, bro?
All right.
Yeah.
God, you shut
Yeah.
up. That's why you didn't recognize it.
Yeah.
Good God. What are you doing in town? Shopping?
Yeah, shopping today, yeah.
A haircut?
Yeah. Got a haircut as well, yeah.
They're doing your house now, aren't they?
Yeah, they do it in my house, yeah. Yeah, good. Right. I'll see you
You
soon,
see
mate.
my grass
Yeah.
is that big?
Yeah. I'll see you soon, yeah.
Cut down.
Huh? Huh? Can I have food? Please, brother. I need food. Cause please, bro. Bro, please, bro. But you know, yeah, bro. No, bro. No food? Oh! Huh? Do you drop to
Yeah.
Like 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 you know Like like that. Like Like
I don't know.
the new place.
Where is the
The like oh, I don't know. I'm new to the place. I'm new here. I'm new. Do you not know?
full address?
Yeah.
I don't know where it is.
I don't know the address, bro. It's like somewhere.
I don't know.
Do you not know? Have you not heard of it? The place.
No.
Like the
I have not heard me.
Oh.
I don't know.
All right. Thank you, mate.
No,
Sorry. Huh? 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 Do you know
Yeah.
You don't. You was here yesterday, weren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, what was you doing?
It's food.
Yeah, yeah. What else was you doing yesterday? What was you doing?
At home today.
Yeah, yeah, shush. Yeah, yeah. You chilling? You chilling?
Yeah.
Good, bro. Have you seen anywhere though?
But,
Have you seen anywhere? Like
yeah.
you haven't? I've seen you on the BBC. Was you on the BBC before?
TV one.
Yeah, I've seen you on the BBC program. Some BBC something. Was you on the BBC?
Yeah.
Wait, what was you doing on the BBC?
Yeah. Yeah.
What, do you like BBC?
Yeah.
You like BBC? Same, bro. I love BBC. Like when it's nice.
Yeah.
Like the big BBC.
Yeah.
It's nice and tight. It's nice and tight, innit?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll let you go on with your day. I'll see you soon, bro.
Bye.
In a bit. Huh? Huh? NPC, bruv. Huh? Huh?
Yes.
Do you have it? Do you know where he is?
Oh.
You know, the guy who was just here. The guy who kept shouting, like like the guy who
No.
kept shouting that. Oh, was it not you? Oh, sorry, brother. Sorry, mate. Sorry.
Hello.
You right, brother? You okay? Long time no see, man.
Yeah.
You
When did
okay?
I see you?
Oh, it was a couple months ago, wasn't it?
Okay.
Do you remember me? Because I remember you.
Well,
I can't remember where. I think it was here.
yeah, that's it.
Yeah, in the gay bar, wasn't it?
Huh?
In the gay bar. I can't remember, brother.
Yeah, but
But yeah,
I hang around here.
you hang around by here. Yeah, I think it was by here.
I'm talking about the Lord Jesus.
Yeah, I remember.
You do.
Yeah, you give me.
The leaflet.
Yeah, that's why I know you, brother.
Okay.
Because you share the message. Yeah.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
I remember speak to people
Yeah. What?
this kind of leaflet.
What leaflet? Can I have one? Oh, this is a great leaflet, man. Are you lonely? Are you discouraged? Are you sick in body? Are you depressed? You need peace with God. Jesus said, "Come to me, who you labor and heavy laden, I'll give you rest. Whoever calls up on the name of the Lord shall be saved." Salvation is a gift to everyone.
Yeah.
Just call on Jesus to save your soul.
Yeah, he's able
That's-
to save every soul.
That's such a good thing, bro.
Yeah.
I'm so happy now, man.
Which age do you go to?
What?
Which age do you attend?
The Amabaticum one.
Where?
It's like this way. It's quite far. The like fully down there. The Amabaticum.
Which way? Which way?
This.
As you are going to
Yeah.
Poseidon?
No. The like it's called Amabaticum. It's that area. It's quite far. It's far away.
How many miles from here?
I can't know. Like it's like 2 hour drive, bro. Because I'm dedicated, bro.
Okay. So
Yeah.
you know the Lord. You know Jesus as your Lord and personal
Yeah.
Savior, do you?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's my Lord.
Okay. Which kind of church is that? Baptist type or Catholic type or Pentecostal type church that you attend?
It's the Baptist one, brother.
Or Baptist?
Yeah.
Yeah, they teach well. But
This.
I'm Pentecostal.
I'm gonna keep this with me. Yeah.
What makes it be called Pentecostal?
Yeah.
We
Yeah. Shush. Yeah.
we love the
Yeah,
Lord
waffle.
so much.
Waffle, man.
And
Yeah.
we
Waffle.
are very active for Him.
Yeah. Waffle, man.
We even preach in the streets when it's
Yeah. That's very good, bro.
yeah.
Yeah.
What's the name?
My name.
Yeah.
Abdul.
Abdul.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
What's your name, brother?
It's here.
It's
On the
here.
leaflet. On the leaflet.
It's on the leaflet. All right.
On the leaflet.
Let me see. Savior.
Yeah.
That's you.
That's me.
Abdul Savior. Nice to meet you, brother.
Good to meet you.
God bless. Yeah.
Yeah,
I'll see you around, man. I'll
Thank
see
you
you
so
around.
much.
Yeah. Huh? Do you know it?
What?
Do you know it?
On what?
The You don't know? Wait, what are you playing, bro?
Dude, leave me alone, alright?
Why are you playing
I didn't ask for
PUBG?
your
No,
consent.
I was coming to help you.
No, I don't need any help.
Because you know, do you need help?
I do not need any
Bro,
help.
he's attacking
Can you leave
you.
me alone?
Is he attacking you, bro?
Can you leave me alone?
Yeah. Alright,
Yeah.
fist bump, I'll go.
Just leave me alone. I'm
Fist
not in
bump?
the mood.
Fist bump?
Not in the mood.
Alright. Bye, brother.
After I walked off, a couple minutes later, this guy comes behind me and grips up my cameraman. He come on smoke. He's like saying, delete this. How dare you record me without my permission? So like, I delete it, innit? But like, he obviously doesn't know recently deleted is the thing. And then he says, I'll shove my fist up your ass. Like, what? But anyway, if you enjoyed watching, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Yeah, I'll see you in a bit, innit? Safe.